Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this quick video, I'm going to be reviewing Odoo Website Builder, which is an all-in-one platform that lets you create and manage websites with ease. But before we dive in, you can check out the links in the description to explore Odoo Website Builder for yourself. So first we need to understand what is Odoo Website Builder. So as the name suggests, Odoo Website Builder is a drag and drop website creation tool that is designed for the businesses who are looking for an easy way to build a professional websites. It integrates seamlessly with Odoo's ecosystem, including the e-commerce, CRM, and marketing tools. Now, here are some of the things that I like about this particular website builder. The first thing is that the interface of this website is very user friendly, and drag and drop is also very easy. There is no coding required for you to create your own e-commerce website, which is a good thing. You will find integrated business applications, so you can work with Odoo's CRM, e-commerce, and other tools as well. You will also find various types of customizable templates over here, so you just have to simply choose from the modern and mobile friendly designs and you are good to go. Next thing that I like about the platform is their pricing. So you are going to get all of these at a very lower cost as compared to the other website builders in the market. So these were some of the pros that I really like about it, but there are some of the cons that you need to consider. It has limited third party integrations, so it only works in the Odoo ecosystem. So if you want the other applications to be integrated, like the third party applications to be integrated with it, sorry, but that thing cannot be possible. But the Odoo ecosystem is wonderful. The second thing is that some of the features of this particular platform might take you a lot of time to learn. So there is a learning curve for this particular platform, but once you start using it, you will get used to it very easily. So Odoo Website Builder is a great choice if you already use Odoo's business tools, or if you need an affordable and easy to use website builder. So you can check out the discount link in the description. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.